Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. One of the main challenges people with natural hair talk about is wash day and the time it takes. Well, today I'm going to show you two different wash days, one without using a pre-poo and one with. We're going to find out just how much time it actually takes.
All right, y'all, it is exactly 10:05 and I'm just gonna start my detangling process. This is what I do. I do a dry detangle, typically, just separating my hair before I even wash it or anything. This is gonna help with that detangling process, and I'm actually going to just go and spritz it with some water. 1 second. All right, got my water bottle. I like to do this step because it helps lower the chance of breakage. Water is magical, y'all. It is magic. It's currently 10:10. That took me 5 minutes. All right, so I'm getting in the shower. You know what, before I get in the shower, I'm actually just gonna heat this up. This is a new doohickey I got from Amazon, and it is a heating cap. So I wanna heat this up before I even get in the shower, obviously. All right, so I've done this for the maximum 2 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it in a towel to try to hold this heat. I'm just gonna put it to the side. Okay, shower time now, finally. Oh, and by the way, I did not shave my armpits just yet. That's part of my routine, all right?
Oh my God!
Let me just, this is real life. This is real life. All right, so now that my hair is pretty saturated with water, I'm going in with my zinc shampoo. This is Head and Shoulders Royal Oils. As you guys could see a couple days ago, my scalp was, starting to have like a little bit of dandruff or whatnot. So I just do this for maintenance, just to make sure things don't get super bad. Also, as you can see, I always try and make sure that I'm not bunching my hair on top of my head and creating unnecessary tangles for no reason. Just making sure that my hair stays as stretched as possible so I don't cause a longer detangling process than is necessary. Because this is kind of it has a treatment in it, I am going to shave my underarms and let this kind of sit on there for just a little while I sort of do that grooming process, and I'll come right back. I'm going to just kind of wring my hair and apply this to my ends. I need to go buy another deep conditioner. Did he plan this? You know what I'm saying? I know she doesn't like this, so she's not gonna use mine. Ha, well, buddy. I'm using it. I'm gonna put this plastic cap on. This is the one that came with the heating cap. I feel like it's too small. Yep. We're not loving this. Let's see. Oh wow, this is really small. Whose hair? The owner does not have black hair. This is how you know. No, that's okay. We're just gonna let it rock. It still has a little bit of heat left in it, but I think ideally you would put it in the microwave right before you wear it, but this is better than nothing. Okay, so I have groomed myself and I'm gonna take this cap off. Okay, I still feel some heat. I'm just gonna go ahead, stretch my hair out again. Okay, it actually didn't tangle it too bad. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse, finish detangling, and twist my hair. Okay, done. That is the majority of my routine. It is 11:05 and that is exactly an hour. And I actually had about like 5 minutes in there in which I like used to heat up the stuff, but I'm still gonna count it. Had to let my husband go to the bathroom and whatnot, but I'm still gonna count that time because variances apply. So that takes me like an hour from dry detangle all the way to here. And I've said many times that it takes me about an hour and a half to do my full routine. So typically it takes about 30 minutes to do the next step.
I took a nap, I had some food, I put my little baby to sleep, y'all. It is 4:05 right now, and I am going to do the last step of my hair, which is moisturizing and sealing. So I've got my aloe vera gel. I've been using this as my leave-in. I've got a moisturizer, and the clock starts now. Oh my goodness, that was 20 minutes. 21 minutes, about. That was pretty damn fast. Yeah, at this point, I typically put my hair back in a ponytail. You've seen this so many times in my like hair moisturization videos. I like doing this because it stretches the hair just a little bit more. And then I'll put on my hair scarf. You want to get something that's kind of like a satiny material, satiny-esque material, and I do sleep on a satin pillowcase. So all together, it took me an hour and 20 minutes to do my normal wash routine. And next I'm gonna try a pre-poo routine, and we're gonna see how long that takes.
I've already got things started by peeling the rind off the aloe vera and putting it in a bowl. I then took a knife to cut through the aloe vera to release the gel. I got this presser from an Amazon nut milk straining set that you'll see later, but I'm just continuing to release the gel from the plant. Add a little distilled water to help with blending. I've actually had the most success using a hand mixer to break up the leaf, mainly because my blender doesn't get all the little pieces with such a small amount of aloe. Then I've taken the gel, put it in the strainer, and pressed until the gel is separated from the leaf and into the pitcher. Next, pour the gel into an applicator bottle for easier application later.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a new day and I have made my pre-poo. Now, this has already taken me an hour just to peel the gel out, not to mention the overnight waiting for the aloe to drain out. I have a full video on how I prepare this particular pre-poo. And I got an applicator bottle, guys. So to all of you guys trying to cramp my style from being in my room trying to put it on my head from that bucket, listen, I just like to have fun with it. This is, of course, YouTube. I gotta have like a little bit of entertainment. Okay guys, I'm gonna hop in the shower and do my pre-poo, all right? Love y'all.
Okay, so I just wanted to kind of douse my hair with a little bit of water. I have low porosity hair and a ton of product on it, so it's really not gonna do that much. But my hair was super dry and I did not want to manipulate it while I'm like trying to put this stuff on and possibly cause breakage. we're trying to grow hair, not break it. You know what I'm saying? Let's just do this, okay? Let's just put this on. Oh, what time is it? It is currently 3:20 p.m. I need scissors. There we go. Ooh. Oh my gosh, so all of the gel basically went in my sports bra. I added way too much water to my hair. It definitely diluted the wonderful slimy slipperiness of it. Of course, I'm not a huge fan of the slime, but that is what gives the slip the magic, you know what I mean? Also, I want to give a shout out to Callie from my Patreon group, the Coily Crew. Listen, Callie was talking about how when she's detangling her hair, she has a really tough time with the roots. Now, if you're gonna use this aloe vera, and I've already recommended it to you, Callie, so if you're gonna use this, use the applicator bottle, really get down in those roots, because that's gonna help you detangle them, okay? So I want you to try this out and let me know how it goes. And that also is for all of you as well. Oh, I forgot to tell you, that took nearly 20 minutes. Almost started my shower without you. It is now 4:40 and I'm gonna start my shower routine. The sun is bright. Listen, I live in California. Whoa. I live in California. The sun sets on this side of my house. I'm gonna use Nizoral today, and then I'm gonna follow up if I need to with Formulate, my personalized shampoo. I have a whole video on that if y'all wanna see it. And I'm gonna follow up with a conditioner. Am I doing a conditioner? Or maybe I'll just deep condition and call it a day. I've been doing that lately and it's been fine. No, I have to match. I'm gonna go get the conditioner and then deep condition. That the sun has gone down. I now have a deep conditioner in my hair. I'm gonna take this time to groom, shower, etc., etc. I actually retwisted my hair because I needed to re-detangle, and I'm gonna be working on a completely different style, not a twist out. Let me go ahead, shower up, finish up, and then let you guys know what time it is. So it is now 5:10 p.m. It took 30 minutes. I thought it was gonna take, I felt like it took a lot longer. I'm not even gonna lie, all the twisting and everything. I love washing my hair loose. It's why I don't like, you know, dealing with all the twists and stuff like that, but I do see the benefit. You know what? I'm just gonna take you as the intelligent human being that you are and say that, hey, at this point, if I moisturize and seal my hair, it's gonna take the same 30 minutes that it took before because my hair is literally in the same state. And I'm gonna come back to you guys tomorrow and I'm gonna tally everything up, all right? You know what, before I go, you need to subscribe, all right? Look, I'm giving you bare shoulder, I'm giving you clavicle, I'm not giving you the goodies though, but you know, I feel like you've seen enough, especially if this is like your third video. Just go ahead and subscribe. Let me lower my shoulder though, because I'm feeling a little... Subscribe. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's just cut to the chase. My regular wash, detangle routine from dry detangle all the way through to moisturize, seal, and twist, an hour and 30 minutes. Now the pre-poo routine, of course it takes 24 hours for the aloe to drain out. I'm gonna put that to the side. We're not gonna count that because you don't have to do that on wash day necessarily. Now it did take me an hour to like peel the gel out and get the gel out of the leaf and everything. So it took me an hour. I do think I can be more efficient, but you know, it's a new process, and as you do it longer, it gets easier and faster, okay? But it did take me an hour. It took me 20 minutes to detangle and twist my hair, so hey, plus. But then it took me the regular 30 minutes to wash my hair. And then it took me the additional 30 minutes to moisturize and seal my hair. So all together, it was about 2 hours and 20 minutes for the pre-poo routine versus my regular wash, moisturize, and seal routine. Now, of course, I am mostly gonna do the hour-and-a-half routine because that's been working for me. I got my hair to this length, you know, doing that. But I will do those special pre-poo routines because I'm kind of loving this. I'm kind of loving the DIY. Like, did you know that I would love this? Because I do. It's really, really nice. I will definitely continue to incorporate it, not only because for me it's therapeutic, but also I know that with the active botanicals in the aloe vera, I'm gonna see some more long-term results. Now, for those of you who are not about that DIY life, I get you, I feel you. Listen, I feel you. In my comments on my last aloe vera video, back to back, y'all were putting in this product from Just For Me. It was like Curl Piece, Detangler or something, and another one from African Pride. I will find those. I will link those. I recommend you give them a try. If that many people are in the comments talking about it's bomb, then it's probably bomb. So as soon as I am sort of done with this aloe vera cake, I will probably give that a try. Well, am I gonna be, I don't think I'm gonna be done. I don't know. I'm kind of really enjoying a DIY. It has a very therapeutic nature for me, as I mentioned. And if you're that kind of person who likes to like cook and bake and concoct, DIY may be for you.
Let me give a quick shout out to the Coily crew over on Patreon. We have a ton of fun. If you want to learn how to support this channel, go to patreon.com/Latoya Ebony and become a Coily crew member. I'd love to have you.
If you're interested in subscribing, you should. Turn on your notifications. I just did an ASMR video. I'll link it here. And if you're interested in the rest of my hair care routine, how I've been able to grow my hair and maintain it, I will post a playlist of my regimen down there. I love you all, and I'll see you in a couple days. Mwah.